We're making a bell for cancer survivors or people who are struggling with cancer.
A special project requested by the Denver Broncos, where students from Eagle Crest High School and Cherry Creek Innovation Campus can showcase their welding, engineering, and advanced manufacturing skills.
This is an edge here, that's an edge there, so it's going to be more inclined.
It's a crazy opportunity to get out there, you know, like do something that's going to be like seen by hopefully hundreds of thousands to millions of people.
Determined to meet the design parameters of the Denver Broncos to honor those who have been impacted by cancer, students were tasked to create the bell holder, welding pieces together.
And I like the Broncos. They're a good team, and I'm so glad they're doing this.
Eagle Crest students designed the unique plaque using colored acrylic pieces cut on the CO2 laser cutter.
There's a lot of creative freedom in this, and I get to have that shown in a real stadium.
Their work will be on display annually at the Fight Like a Bronco game.
It's just amazing because I've been a lifetime Broncos fan since itty bitty.
It just gives me a sense of pride knowing that I'm a little factor into them succeeding in a bigger victory than me just welding a little project for them, you know. It kind of looks like I helped a slight bit, even though it's just a bell, you know. It's a bell with a meaning.
A powerful symbol of resilience.
That's going to be at the stadium. People are going to see it and get to use it, and it's going to make their days better, and I'm so excited for it. I feel like it's a great way to kind of share with the world your struggle and your victory.
The bell will also travel to various Common Spirit Health and Children's Hospital Colorado locations throughout the state. Patients will ring the bell after completing milestones in their cancer treatment. This project highlights the value of industry partnerships, allowing students real-world experience and the chance to make a difference in the community.